What's up guys, welcome back to Finance to Fly. My name is Luke and I'm here to help you elevate your travel while minimizing your spending. Today we're going to be reviewing the Le Meridien The Joseph Hotel in Columbus, Ohio. To get things started, this hotel is at the south end of the Short North District and it's a solid location with a short walk to the main side of Short North and is less than a 10-minute Uber ride to OSU. Upon arriving, the room was ready and we got into our one king bedroom and back out to the bars. The hotel has a gym on the third floor and an art exhibit on the second. On the first floor is their bar and restaurant called Soul. This is where you're going to get breakfast and redeem your free breakfast. Moving on to rating experience. For the first category of location, this is a 9 out of 10. The location is great. It is right outside the noisy bar area, but still within easy walking distance. For the service, I thought it was a 10 out of 10. The staff are excellent and there's not much to comment, which is always a good thing. For the food, I thought it was an 8 out of 10. The food was really good. The egg sandwich was great for both days I had it. However, I did think they charged a lot for breakfast. And for the free breakfast perk, you do get a $40 credit to split between two people instead of a buffet breakfast. The one day I went over and they automatically added a 20% service charge on that, which I thought was a little ridiculous for breakfast, but that was what it was. Lastly, for the room, I thought it was an 8 out of 10. The room was great, it was right sized, and everything about it was clean. For the price this hotel normally is, though, I would have to expect it a little bit to be more high-end. It felt more modern than the high-end feeling, and for the price the hotel climbs to during Ohio State games, I would have thought there'd be more to it. For the total, Le Meridien Columbus scored a 35 out of 40. And how did I book this? Well, I used my Fine Hotels and Resorts credit from Amex back when it was $200 a year. I got the free breakfast with that $100 credit that covered the $50 a day parking, and the room cost a little under $600 for 2 nights, and then subtracting the $200 credit came out to a little bit less than $400. I was down there for an OSU football game, and while they were playing a super small school, this hotel normally costs between $400 and $1,000 a night on bigger games. All in all, what do you think of the video? Have you stayed at the Le Meridien Columbus? Have you ever been to Columbus? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you could hit that like and subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated. Until next time, have a great day.